I'll show you how to use Ethernet along with a cellular adapter at the same time on your Windows PC. If your PC has a built-in Ethernet port, use an Ethernet cable to connect it to your router or modem. Otherwise, you can use a USB to Ethernet adapter or even a USB hub with a port. Connect your cellular adapter to a USB port on your PC. Some adapters require the use of proprietary dialer software to connect to the internet, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's installation and operating instructions closely. In order to verify that your cellular connection is active, click on the computer or Wi-Fi icon in the lower right area of the taskbar and check to see if a cellular tile shows up. Some adapters may also present themselves as Ethernet connections, so be aware of that. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify from our site at speedify.com. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWrt and powered by Speedify routers. So your internet just works. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.